So hi guys, welcome back for video for today. So we're going to review again these two different exchange, cryptocurrency exchange to be specific. So here we got BitFi and xmo.com. So ano nga ba yung kanilang pinagkaiba, no? They both offer different products, spot trading, derivatives trading, and many more. So here on xmo trading, as you can see, let's check their xmo premium. So xmo premium is to reduce trading fee, so meron siyang bayad like $500 a month. So that quite expensive para sa ating mga low budget. And yung referral program naman nila, check natin. Okay, so wala masyadong makikita. And let's check the professional mode, convenient trading in pro mode, so this might be their futures trading, while in BitFi they offer derivatives, USDTM, CoinM, leverage token. So let's check the USDTM. Okay, so guys, as you can see, let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Bitcoin now is currently at 26,561. And let's check their leverage, kasi ang mahalaga din ng leverage. So xmo offer maximum of 30x leverage only. So see guys, maximum of 30 times leverage only, while BitFi offers the maximum of 200 leverage in futures trading. So okay, anyway, like I said, BitFi offer 200x and xmo offer the maximum 30x leverage. So also guys, here on BitFi you can also make spot trading, which is a lot of trading pairs here on BitFi. As far as I know, the trading pairs here is almost 400 plus. 400 plus spot trading pair, different, many more different token, like you can buy meme coins, metaverse coin, what else, GameFi, layer 2, okay, and Hong Kong concept, and DeFi, storage, Greyfolka.bsc, NFT, and proof of work and assessment, so available po yan dito kay BitFi, and mabibili po natin yung mga pairs na yan. And BitFi's have welcome rewards for new user. Ang sabi dito, get 2,888 and rewards for completing task. So hindi po natin agad basta-basta siya makukuha. Kailangan po nating magkumpleto ng task in order to claim this reward. So may mga task dyan. Ito yung mga task, madadali lang naman tong mga task na to, hindi siya ganun kahirap, kasi sali lang sa community, mag-set up lang tayo ng ating anti-phishing, Google 2FA, and meron sila dito ang deposit reward and first crypto deposit reward. Ayan po yung kagandahan sa ating mga bagong user. And kapag nag-complete tayo guys ng KYC natin dito sa BitFi, makakakuha tayo ng mystery box. Okay, and also we can buy directly ng crypto here sa BitFi using our Visa card or Mastercard. Meron din silang Apple Pay and Google Pay. na available lahat dito sa Alchemy Pay, ano. So Alchemy Pay nga pala, sangat ko lang, is meron silang coin which is the ACH, the Alchemy Pay, ano. Also guys, we can check the market. Ito yung maganda dito kasi meron sila ditong signal, ano. Wait lang natin mag-loading. So click natin tong signal. So as you can see here, the actionable signals powered by into the block. Okay. So ang sabi dito, ang summary is bullish. So 5 yung neutral, 2 yung bullish. Yun naman ang kagandahan dito sa VidFi. May mga makikita tayong mga data, no. Ayan, kung makikita natin yan, makikita din natin yung mga 24-hour volume nila, no. So check natin sa all kung ano yung pinakamataas na volume, which is as expected is Bitcoin kasi siya yung pinakang malaking market cap, ano. And nga pala guys, meron din sila dito ang leverage token, which is ano siya, spot trading siya, pero meron siyang leverage na 3 times. Okay, so my favorite din, ang paborito ko talaga dito is yung kanilang, meron sila ditong mga market data. Ayan, makikita natin kung ano yung mga sponsors nila, no. Ayan. Okay, so ayun lang guys, you can decide kung ano ang gagamitin nyo, X mo ba o VidFi, ano. So sa VidFi mas marami silang ino-offer na product, and sa pag-partner naman kayo ni VidFi, marami tayong benefits na marireceive, and meron din silang salary program. Okay, so ayun lang guys for today's video. Hope you'll please like and share and subscribe, and I will also drop my registration link below, and happy trading.